Sakshi Gopal, the Lord who stood as witness. Once, there were two Brahmins from Vidyanagara in South India. They decided to make a long tour of the various holy places of pilgrimage in northern India. One of these Brahmins was elderly and from a high-class family, and the other was poor and from a low-class family.
We visited Gaya, Kashi, Prayag and Mathura. Now we reach Vrindavan Dham.
Ah, the sacred place of Lord Krishna's pastimes.
Let's take bath in the waters of the holy Yamuna river. Please take some prasadam. Now, let us visit a holy place, Govardhana Hill, together with all 12 forests of Vrindavana. Prabhuji, now we are arriving at a great temple where gorgeous worship of Gopala deity was performed. Gopala is Lord Krishna in his eternal form as a cowherd boy.
Wow, amazing! The beauty of the Gopala deity had stolen my mind.
I am feeling a great happiness. Let's take rest here for a few days.
Haribol, that's fine. Oh young man, out of so much love and respect, you had rendered menial service to me, ensuring that I felt no inconvenience for the rigors of travel. I am so grateful for this reverential attitude which I had never encountered even from my own son. In return for your services, I promise you my daughter in marriage.
I have rendered service to you only for the satisfaction of Lord Krishna. For the Lord is pleased by service rendered to Brahmins. In any case, I am not at all a suitable bridegroom for your daughter. You are well educated and very rich, whereas I am without a decent education and have no wealth. Furthermore, your wife and sons will certainly never agree to it.
Dear boy, I will give you my daughter and I'll neglect the position of others. Don't doubt me in this regards. Please, just accept my proposal.
If you really have decided to give me your young daughter to me, then say so before the Gopala deity. He will be my witness.
My dear Lord, I promise that I will give my daughter in marriage to this young man. Please be the witness for this promise.
My dear Lord Gopal, you are my witness. I shall call for you to testify if it is necessary later on. We reached our Vidyanagar. Thanks a lot for accompanying me. Hare Krishna.
Haribol, had a great time with you. Thank you. Namaste. Oh, after so long, I remembered my promise to that young man. I will call all my relatives and friends for a meeting.
What? Your daughter cannot marry a poor man. Do not fulfill your promise.
When people hear of this, they will make jokes and laugh at you.
If you give your daughter to that boy, we shall give up all connection with you.
How can I undo the promise I made in a holy place, Vrindavan? If I do not give my daughter to the young Brahmin, he will call Gopala as witness.
The deity Gopal lives far away in Vrindavan. How can he come here? Do not worry, father. Just say that you do not remember anything. I will take care of the rest.
I am very fearful of the consequences of lying. Hey merciful Gopal, please help me not to break my promise.
Namaste.
You? How dare you want to marry my sister? Get out of this house.
Villagers, come here, help me.
What happened?
This gentleman promised to hand over his daughter to me in marriage. Now he refuses to do it. Please ask him why. Why are you refusing him now? What happened exactly?
My dear friends, I do not remember making such a promise.
While touring various holy places, my father carried much money. Seeing the money, this rogue decided to take it away. He gave my father poison to eat, which has made my father mad. After taking his money, now he claims that my father promised to give him his daughter.
Now whom should we believe?
I told this gentleman that I was not a fit husband for his daughter, but he insisted. He made his promise in front of the Gopala deity, and I have asked the Supreme Lord to be my witness.
Yes, actually everything this man has told you all is true. If Gopala personally comes here to bear witness, I shall surely give you my daughter.
Go. Get Gopal. Go. Get your witness. As if deity will walk or talk.
Let me start to Vrindavan now and see Gopal. I have full faith in him. My dear Lord, I am not interested in getting the Brahmin's daughter as my wife, but I feel great pain that he has broken his religious principle of truthfulness. You are very merciful and you know everything. Therefore, please save me from this sin by acting as my witness. I am pleading you, Gopal, come with me to my village and stand as my witness.
Young man, I have never heard of a deity walking from one place to another.
My dear Lord, if you can talk, you can walk. You are not a statue, you are the supreme personality of Godhead. Please come with me, even though you have never done this before.
I am defeated by your devotion and conviction. I will go with you. I shall walk behind you, but do not try to see me by turning around. As soon as you look at me, I will stop walking. You will hear my ankle bells, and thus you will know I am walking behind you.
अधर मधुर मुस्कान जो तोरे, पंकज नयन ओ मुरली वाला, पंकज नयन ओ मुरली वाला। गोपाला साक्षी गोपाला, गोपाला साक्षी गोपाला।
Now you can go home. I shall stay here. I will not leave.
Come everyone, please hurry up, come fast, Gopal has arrived. Oh Lord Gopal, please remain here, so that people all over the world will always know how merciful you are to your devotees.
When the king of that country heard of this wonderful story, he also came to see Gopala and constructed a nice temple for the Lord. Although some time later the deity of Lord Gopala was moved from Vidyanagara to the town of Cuttack in Orissa, he is still visible for all to see and is famous as Sakshi Gopala. Travel about 22 kilometers from Puri, Orissa, you can have the darshan of Sri Gopalji in the temple of Sakshi Gopal even today.